Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mute and unmute someone on WhatsApp. It's super helpful if you want a little peace without blocking anyone. So let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap and open the chat of the person or group you want to mute. For now, I will just tap on Truecaller and then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select mute notifications. You will see options like 8 hours, 1 week, always. Choose one and tap OK or mute. For now, I will continue with this one. Tap OK. This means you won't get sound or pop-up notifications from that chat, but you can still view messages anytime. Now to unmute someone on WhatsApp, open the chat that's muted and tap the three dots on the top right corner. And there again you will see unmute notifications. Just tap on it. And yes, that's how you mute and unmute someone on WhatsApp. Easy, right? If this video helped, go ahead and like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.